Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. So children, today we will learn about how to write the number names 51 to 60 in a cursive letter. So I already wrote here the numbers and also number names. So we have to start how to write these number names in cursive letters. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Let's begin. 51. F I F T Y 50 O N E 1 51. Next 52. F I F T Y 50 T W O 52. Next 53. F I F T Y 50 T H R E E 53. Next 54. F I F T Y 54. F O U R 4 54. Next 55. F I F T Y 50 F I V E 55. 56. F I F T Y 56. S I X 6. Next 57. F I F T Y 50 S E V E N 57. Next 58. F I F T Y 58 E I G H T 58. Next 59. F I F T Y 59 N I N E 59. Next 60. S I X T Y 60. Next 61. S I X T Y 60 O N E 1 61. Next 62. S I X T Y 60 T W O 2 62. Next 63. S I X T Y 60 T H R E 63. Next 64. S I X T Y 60 F O U R 64. Next 65. SIXTY 60 FIVE 65. Next 66 SIXTY 60 SIX 66. Next 67 SIXTY 60 SEVEN 67. 68 SIXTY 60 EIGHT 68. 69 SIXTY 60 NINE 69. Next 70 SEVENTY 70. So thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please give a like, share and please subscribe to our channel Bhavya Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.